Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today I'll walk you through how to back up your messages and pictures on Viber. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your mobile device. Once you're in Viber, head over to the More option in the menu. From the list that appears, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find different options related to managing your account and Viber's functionalities. Look for and tap on Account. Next, tap on Viber Backup. Here, you'll see three main options for managing your backup preferences. To set up automatic backups, tap on Auto Backup. You'll also have the option to include images and videos in your backup. Simply toggle the sliders to enable or disable this. If you want to create a backup immediately, just select Backup Now. That's it. With these settings, your Viber messages and pictures will be backed up according to your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips.